Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to dive into the Client's Registrar Training Manual. This training guide is designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills needed for global learning at ADollarClass. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover everything from the basics of the registrar process to best practices for effective client management. So, let's get started and explore how we can enhance our skills together. Welcome to our introduction of ADollarClass. Our mission is simple but powerful. We aim to make education accessible, affordable, and innovative on a global scale. We believe that quality education should reach everyone, no matter where they are or their financial situation. To achieve this, we offer a range of core services designed to support learners at every stage. These include mentorship programs that guide students through their academic and career paths, counseling to help them navigate challenges, and skills training to equip them with practical abilities. We also provide tutoring to ensure personalized academic support and internships that give real-world experience. All of these components come together to create a comprehensive educational ecosystem. This aligns perfectly with our overall goal, to break down barriers and open up opportunities for learners worldwide. Welcome to Slide 3, where we focus on the role overview. As the first point of contact, your role is essentially the gateway for new clients entering ADollarClass. This means you'll be guiding them smoothly through the initial steps, making sure their experience starts off on the right foot. Part of that involves assisting clients with the registration process and onboarding. It's important to be clear, patient, and supportive during this stage, helping them understand how everything works so they feel confident moving forward. Another key aspect of your role is ensuring data accuracy. Accurate information is crucial for operational efficiency and for maintaining trust with our clients. Lastly, you'll need to coordinate effectively with other departments. This collaboration ensures that the onboarding process is seamless and that all necessary information is shared promptly. Overall, this role is vital because it sets the tone for the client's entire experience with ADollarClass and helps us build strong, lasting relationships right from the start. Let's talk about managing client records, which is a crucial part of delivering excellent service. First, it's important to use reliable tools like Google Sheets or a CRM system to keep all your client information organized and accessible. These tools help ensure that you can easily find and update client details as needed. Next, data security and confidentiality are key. Always make sure that client information is protected and only accessible to authorized personnel. This builds trust and complies with privacy regulations. Lastly, keeping logs and documentation up to date is essential. Regularly updating your records ensures accuracy and helps you track interactions and progress over time. When we manage client records effectively, it supports the overall goal of providing consistent, professional, and personalized service. Let's talk about how we support client enrollment. First, it's crucial to send onboarding emails within 24 hours. This ensures we're timely and responsive, making clients feel valued right from the start. Next, we need to provide clear service access instructions and follow up to answer any questions. This keeps the onboarding smooth and helps clients get up to speed quickly. Finally, using a checklist for onboarding is key. It helps us stay consistent, thorough, and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. By focusing on these steps, we reinforce our commitment to excellent service and set a strong foundation for a successful partnership. Now, let's talk about developing and improving our processes. One key area is refining our standard operating procedures, or SOPs. It's important that these procedures are clear, up-to-date, and reflect best practices. Regularly reviewing and updating them helps us stay efficient and consistent in our work. Another important point is proposing process improvements. We should always be on the lookout for ways to make our workflows smoother and more effective. Your insights and suggestions can lead to meaningful changes that benefit the entire team. Finally, updating registration forms regularly is crucial. As our processes evolve, so should our forms, ensuring they capture the right information and support our goals. Remember, continuous improvement is central to our overall success, and these steps keep us aligned with that commitment. Let's talk about the importance of collaborating across departments. It's essential to join regular sync meetings with the counseling, mentorship, and skills teams. These meetings help us stay aligned, share insights, and address any challenges promptly. Tracking capacity is another key point. By understanding each team's workload, we can ensure proper placements and avoid overloading anyone. This way, we maintain a balanced and effective support system. Additionally, sharing updates and any special client needs keeps everyone informed and ready to adapt as necessary. Overall, strong cross-department collaboration enhances our ability to deliver seamless support and achieve our shared goals. Now, let's talk about how we analyze and report on client data. It's crucial to track registrations, engagement levels, and demographic information to get a clear picture of how our initiatives are performing. By regularly generating weekly and monthly reports, we can keep a close eye on trends and patterns over time. But it doesn't stop there. These data insights are powerful tools that help us identify areas for improvement and make informed recommendations. Ultimately, this process ensures we're continuously optimizing our strategies to better serve our clients and meet our overall goals. Now, let's take a look at the tools and systems we use to keep everything running smoothly. First up, Google Sheets and Gmail are our core for managing data and communication. They're reliable, accessible, and integrated well with other platforms. We also rely on Airtable or our CRM system to organize contacts and track interactions, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. For virtual meetings, Zoom or Google Meet are our go-to options. They help us stay connected no matter where we are. Communication within the team is streamlined through Slack, which keeps conversations organized and instant. For registration, we use Google Forms, simple, effective, and easy to share with participants. When it comes to creating standard operating procedures and reports, Canva or Google Docs come into play. They allow us to develop clear, professional documents that are easy to update and share. All these tools come together to support our overall goal, ensuring efficient, organized, and seamless operations at every step. Let's walk through the step-by-step workflow to see how we manage each registration. First, we receive the registration, which is the initial point of contact. Then, we log all the relevant information carefully to keep everything organized. After that, we send out a confirmation email to ensure the registrant is informed and engaged. Next, we assign the appropriate service based on their needs, making sure they get the right support. Following that, we do a follow-up to check in and address any additional questions or concerns. Finally, we mark the registration as active, which indicates that the process is complete and the client is now fully engaged. This workflow not only streamlines our process, but also ensures a smooth experience for everyone involved. Let's take a moment to talk about some key communication guidelines to keep in mind. First, always aim to use a warm, professional tone. This helps build trust and rapport with our clients and colleagues alike. Remember, how we communicate is just as important as what we communicate. Next, it's crucial to reply to inquiries within 24 hours. Prompt responses show that we value others' time and are committed to providing excellent service. It keeps things moving smoothly and demonstrates our reliability. Additionally, I want to emphasize the importance of using branded email templates and signatures. Consistency in our branding reinforces our professionalism and brand identity. It also makes our communications look polished and cohesive. Overall, these guidelines support our broader goal of maintaining clear, respectful, and efficient communication. When we follow these simple principles, we strengthen our relationships and uphold our company's reputation. All right, let's talk about some best practices to keep in mind. First, it's really crucial to double-check client data. Making sure everything is accurate helps us maintain trust and avoid costly mistakes down the line. Small errors can sometimes lead to big issues, so taking that extra moment to verify is well worth it. Next, creating templates for common tasks can save us a lot of time and effort. Instead of starting from scratch every time, having a ready-made template means we can work more efficiently and consistently, which is key for professionalism. And finally, staying proactive and organized is essential. Anticipate what might come up, keep your files and notes well arranged, and stay ahead of deadlines. When we're proactive, we not only reduce stress but also deliver better results for our clients. All of these practices tie back to the overall goal of providing excellent service, being thorough, efficient, and dependable at every step. Let's take a moment to go over some common FAQs that you might encounter. First, if a client doesn't respond initially, the best approach is to follow up. I recommend reaching out again after 3 days, and if there's still no response, then again after 7 days. This way, we stay proactive without being too pushy. Next, if you find that a service is incomplete or there's an issue, escalate it directly to your team lead. This ensures that any problems are addressed promptly and at the right level of authority. Finally, regarding how often you should update your clients or team, this really depends on the situation. Typically, daily updates work well, but sometimes, updates are needed more or less frequently depending on the urgency or the project scope. The key is to keep communication clear and consistent, aligning with the overall goal of maintaining transparency and trust throughout the process. Let's take a moment to look at the glossary to clarify some key terms. First, CRM stands for Client Relationship Management System. This is essentially a tool we use to organize and manage our interactions with clients, helping us build stronger relationships and improve service delivery. Next, SOP refers to Standard Operating Procedures. These are the established methods and processes we follow to ensure consistency and quality across our operations. And finally, onboarding is all about introducing clients to our services. It's a crucial step where we set the tone for the relationship and ensure clients feel confident and informed from the start. Understanding these terms is vital because they underpin many of the practices we've discussed, and they help us maintain a professional, efficient, and client-focused approach throughout our work. All right, we're at the final checklist, and this is where everything comes together to ensure a smooth start. First, make sure to review the SOPs, or Standard Operating Procedures, because they serve as your roadmap for consistent and effective work. Next, access the shared records. Familiarize yourself with the files and tools your team uses daily to stay aligned. Setting up email templates is also key. Having these ready will save time and help you communicate professionally from day one. Practicing the onboarding process a few times can boost your confidence and ensure you're comfortable with the steps. Don't forget to join the team channels. These are vital for staying connected, asking quick questions, and getting updates. And finally, make sure to attend your first sync meeting. It's the perfect opportunity to meet the team, clarify any uncertainties, and start building those important relationships. Remember, these steps are all about setting yourself up for success and integrating smoothly into the team. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us at support@ADollarClass.com. Also, visit our website at www.ADollarClass.com for additional resources and updates. Remember, our mission is to empower global learners, one step at a time. We believe that education can truly transform lives, and we're committed to supporting learners everywhere in achieving their goals. Thanks again for being part of this journey. We look forward to connecting with you and helping you succeed.